So you said,
November 21st, 22nd, or 23rd in the morning is got. The 22nd? 26th, not morning or afternoon?
oh, I had a choice?
Yeah, 8:30 or 1:30.
For 8:30 or 1:30. Report. Sorry? It doesn't matter to me. Just want to copy the schedules. All right. Can we switch all of that then to the 21st at 1:30?
21st. There's a court date, so the Zoom information will call on the record. And this is his updated.
Is your number older than mine? I don't take that count. It's just gonna keep moving on, right? Of course, are you serious? The only thing that we can do to get now is we do that plus school. Right. Yeah, no. I'm probably gonna come much lucky out there. That's my name out there.
been given a copy of the criminal complaint. Case is assigned to Judge D in Branch 37. No bail has been posted. He does need to be booked. Appearances, please.
State appears by Jeff Altenberg.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jonathan Smith appears on behalf of Mr. Walczykowski, who is present out of custody. Your Honor, I did provide update information for my client. We do acknowledge receipt of the criminal complaint. I've advised him of the charge, maximum possible penalties, and his rights attendant thereto, and therefore waive further reading.
All right, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Walczykowski. Today's your initial appearance regarding the allegations in the complaint. You've been charged with one count of disorderly conduct, a Class B misdemeanor. If you're convicted of this offense, you could be fined not more than $1,000 or imprisoned for not more than 90 days or both. Do you understand that those are the maximum penalties if you're convicted of this offense?
Understand that? Could you hear that?
It's kind of more.
I apologize, Your Honor. He's a little hard of hearing.
Okay, I'll speak up. You've been charged in the criminal complaint with disorderly conduct. If you're convicted of that offense, it's a Class B misdemeanor where you could be fined not more than $1,000 or imprisoned for not more than 90 days or both. Did you understand those are the maximum penalties if you're convicted of the disorderly conduct?
Yes, I understand.
Now, I did read the complaint, and it does state probable cause. You do have a right to counsel, and you are represented today. And counsel, what's his plea at this time?
Not guilty.
And that'll be entered today. And what is the state's recommendation as to bail?
Commissioner, in addition to the no contact order that the state has filed asking for no contact with the victim and the victim's family, the state is requesting a $1,000 PR bond.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thank you. And counsel, as to the bail?
Your Honor, no objection to the no contact order. I think a PR bond would be appropriate in this case. My client is 62. He has no prior record, Your Honor. He did appear here on relatively short notice, so I think a signature bond would be appropriate. I do have a request regarding the booking process, Your Honor. My client, we've discussed it. He's aware that he needs to do it, and it's just my understanding because of be it training or some off days or something that there's a circumstance at the jail regarding that booking process that it would otherwise, we would ask if he could have till end of business on Monday to do that, just because otherwise I think it's a lengthier process in the interim.
All right. Does the state have any objection as to that request to go beyond the 48 hours for booking?
Counsel did apprise me of that. I would just ask that the court follow the process that it usually follows. I don't know that we need to make an exception in this case.
Okay.
But I'll defer to Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And let me just pull up the no contact order. Has that been sent?
It has been sent.
All right, Mr. Walczykowski, based on the allegations in the complaint, this is a Class B misdemeanor. Based on the record that you have no prior criminal convictions, you appeared today based on a summons and you've hired counsel. I will set a $1,000 personal recognizance bond, that's a signature bond, that you'll sign today and be released on your own recognizance. Now, also as a condition of your bail, I will be signing a no contact order and you will get a copy of that. You cannot have any contact with Trevon Burks and his family. So no contact means no contact in person by any third party on your behalf, by mail, phone, or any other electronic device. No social media, no texting, no contact at all. Do you understand the no contact order?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, and as I said, you'll get a copy of that. And since you were not booked, normally the process, unless there's a reason to extend it, we do it within 48 hours, so that would be between 5 o'clock today and 5 o'clock Friday. Is there any reason he couldn't come on the weekend if he needed one more day? You're saying it has to do with the sheriff's department training?
I'm not sure why. I was advised that, as this court's aware, the process, as it was once established, involved the person actually being brought into the jail and staying there for 2 to 12 hours. I understand there's an alternate process that has been set up, but those individuals are off through the end of the week and are returning on Monday. And it's a process where it's still done at the same place, but it is a more, less burdensome experience. How about that?
Okay, that would happen on
That's the only reason I
Monday.
asked till Monday, because they were gone through the weekend.
Okay, I don't know, does the sheriff's department, that's what you're indicating?
Yes, Commissioner.
Okay, all right, then based on that, it can be between 5 o'clock today and 5 o'clock on Monday, so anytime in that time frame, you do have to appear before the Milwaukee County Sheriff's Department's custody. You have to appear, and then they will book you, but they'll release you because you have a PR bond. But you have to go there within that time frame. If you're not there by 5 o'clock on Monday, they will alert the court, and the court will issue a warrant for your arrest, and then a warrant would go out. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, and the deputy will give you a little more information about what are some of the best times to go so that the process is faster. All right, we'll set the next court date, which will be before the judge.
Next court date will be November 21st at 1:30 p.m. for a pretrial conference with Judge D in Branch 37. That will be by Zoom.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, everyone.
Step over here and sign.
Yeah, there may be more coming.